What's up, folks? I was looking at my Instagram page and I seen a lot of females on this as I scrolled up my Instagram page. No, well, not my page, but the page where everybody do they post. And I seen a lot of females. Well, not a lot, but a couple of females. Well, I'm talking about I consider as being straight goddesses. But as a goddess, you were lacking something. Not much, but something that is vital. Something that's vital can always cause your death or cause you great emotional pain, For one, these females was complaining about other females, dudes they was involved with, I'm looking at you through my eyes, and my eyes see clearly. Especially a beautiful woman. I see beautiful women. Those are the only things that I see. I ain't talk about just physical appearance. Because you got some ugly things walking around there looking beautiful, and they just as ugly as I don't know what. I'm talking about those females you liken to something that has unearthly beauty. Like in Dungeons and Dragons, they have females in there, they like fairies or something, and they are so beautiful that if you see them, it like has a major effect on you where your world ain't like it was no more. Yeah, that's how powerful that beauty is. But we talk about beauty from outside and inside. Now, I see beauty that exists on an individual that is not only from the outside appearance, but also the inside. Beauty through and through. And these are the type of females that I was seeing on Instagram make statements about individuals who they are not aligned with. For one, beautiful people. You ever heard the saying, birds of a feather flock together? Flock with beautiful people. Don't become involved or allow into your circle someone that is not as beautiful as you are, or even more beautiful. I allow people who are more beautiful into my life. I'm a beautiful person, am I not? Let me stop. But anyway, I do not allow. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't allow, because I've been doing it myself. I've been set up for less. And I'm talking about utterly frustrated after I get dealing with this individual who's not beautiful through and through like myself. It's like trying to fit a block into a circle. And the block is too big to fit in that bitch. It ain't gonna work. Oil and water, it doesn't mix. You know. Just imagine coming to a house and the front lawn and everything is, I'm talking about immaculate. But when you go inside the house, that thing filthy, roaches, feces, rotten food, flies, dogs, cat piss, all the cat shit, dog piss, all in the house. But the outside look good. I'm talking about the outside look like, I want that. Let me move in there. And when you move in, guess what you find? Beautiful people. I'm speaking to beautiful people who beautiful outside and inside. Stop allowing yourself to enter the circle or allowing others to enter your circle who are not as beautiful or more beautiful than you. Simple solution. You the one keep trying to associate with these people. That's one thing I learned. There's an individual who I've been trying the hardest. Not try with everybody I allow into my circle, because I try to look at the good in all people. And once I indulge them, I be like, I'll be an example by sight. I conquer love with hate type shit, which doesn't work. Not in these days and times. It doesn't work. It only works in Fantasyland. Fantasyland, we beautiful people wish we lived in. This motherfucker's ugly. You see it. I see it. They see it. Everybody sees it. But you keep insisting on merging with them to try to form a bond of understanding and respect and all of that stuff. That shit don't work. It will never work. Stop tormenting yourself. Stop dragging yourself, because that's what you're doing. They're going to be them. They're not finna change. And being that you are a beautiful person through and through, boy, they're going to hate your guts. They're going to try to tear your fucking heart out. They're going to try to eat your liver and all that Hannibal Lecter type stuff. They're going to do that to you. Hannibal Lecter do that to you unprovoked. That's just who he is. Very rarely will you catch Hannibal Lecter like he did it for Jodie Foster, Clarice. He like, I ain't finna eat your liver or bite your tongue out and all of that stuff like that. I like you. Wouldn't mind dating you. But out of all the people that he met or ran across, who did he eat? Devour, annihilate, destroy, torture, torment. I only can recollect two people. That was Clarice, and that was, the Asian woman who took him in Hannibal Rising. That's two people out of all the people he met. Everything else he devoured like a hungry beast. And that's what we beautiful people keep trying to form bonds with. A beast who devours. We like a delicacy to them. And boy, they're going to eat it every time they come by it, because they can't buy it. We have to be foolish enough to place ourselves within their path. Stop placing yourself within the path of an individual who's ugly. It'll save you a lot of distress, torment, pain, agony, frustration. You're too beautiful for that. Find you another beautiful person. Hey, I'm here. I see you. I would like to be it.